Okay, this tutorial is for Allsigns. I'm going to go over a few things, but we're going to start. This is the administrator. Once you log into the back end of the website, we can go over to products. It's a custom menu item I made for you guys. Okay, in this window, you're going to see most of the products. Okay, just so we can visualize what we're talking about on the front end. Okay, that would be. Uh, these are categories, and these are products in the categories. Okay, uh, so starting with the categories, on the left side, we're going to see categories. Here are all of the categories. This is the order of those categories. Okay, so if I show, you'll see, now that I flip them, this is number one. So this is the first one that's going to show up on the real estate page. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So if we want to edit one of the categories, you can click on the name, and once you click on the name, you're going to see this tab, which basically you're going to ignore everything here. You can put a little description on the category if you wish, and then the image, which you might need to change. So if you have an image, you can delete this one by clicking here, or you can upload or replace one, okay, by just choosing another file to upload. Okay. Very simple. So I choose the file. After you chose the file, we can just hit save and close, and the new file will be there. Okay, I'm going to hit cancel because I don't want to replace the image. Either way, currently all the photos are there, so you don't need to change them. So we're going to go back over to products now that we understand how to do the categories. So these are the different products. Right now it's only showing the Star Real Estate. If you want to see all of them, you can sort here. Okay. For right now I'm just going to stick with the Berkshire. So these are all of the products that show up in the category. If we want to rearrange them or reorder them, you can literally just take this and drag it wherever you want to reorder it. Probably won't need to do that, but just in case you want to. If I want to open or edit a product, I can just click on the name. It's going to bring quite a few options. Okay, most of these, once you get used to it, you're going to understand. This, the cost and the pricing is all set on the system that I built, so you don't even need to really do anything. If you choose to change the name of the product, is right here. This is what's visible on the front end. So let's go to the front end. And we are in which product? We're in for sale sign. Okay, so you can see this is the title of the product, is the for sale sign right here. Okay, so that is that. The description of the product we're not using, so it's not going to be visible. If you had one, it would show up at the bottom of the page. The status, again, is we're not using. Dimension and weight, this is for shipping, we're not using. And images, we are using. Okay, so here you can choose to upload another image. So if you want to, you can either remove this image by clicking here, or you can choose to replace, or if you want to just add more images and have multiple images, we can do it by clicking here, the upload. Okay, so again, you choose file, select the file you want to, and then I'll just upload it, doesn't really matter. So I'm going to save. Once I hit save, that's when the image is actually uploaded. So now you see there's two images. I want to remove it, click there. Once again, I'm going to need to hit save, which sends the message to the website, and then now it's saved. This error you can directly ignore. It's totally okay. Just means that the image doesn't have a title. Doesn't matter. So that's pretty much it for the image custom field. The sale signs, this is what this is. So that, don't touch it's what's called a custom field. That's what I made for you, and you can just basically leave that there and don't touch. when everything's said and done, you can hit save and close. I'm going to disregard the changes, so I'm just going to hit cancel, even though we already saved anyways. And that's pretty much it. So for the blog, you know how to edit the blog. You can, one thing to make sure to do is once you edit it, you see right here, it has a lock symbol. That means that it wasn't, it's been checked out. It means that you didn't save and close it. So make sure that you save and close it, not just close the page, I guess you would say. So let's say I'm going to, if I check those in, I'm going to refresh. Hopefully you're not editing them. If I click on that, once I open the page, you know how to edit from the previous tutorial. Just make sure you actually hit save and close. And that's how the website's going to know that you're done editing, and that it can be used. For the pages, same thing. You can edit all of the different pages here, and then for it's the same system as the blog, so you should know how to do that. Now, one thing, if we want to go to let's see here. So I went and put another menu item up here that says promotions to make it easy to get to. So if you go promotions, this article is what is displayed on the home page. Okay, so that is this article. So if you want to edit it, you can click, change the whatever the discount is, the description of the article right here, and then the image that is associated with the promotion. So if you change this image, it'll change this image. Okay, just like the blog. So very easy to do. So any questions, let me know, but hopefully that will give you enough to play with while I'm gone.